Today, I'll be revealing the top 4 websites to watch anime for free online legally. Now, number 1 on my list is called Amazon Prime Video. Now, a lot of people do not know that on this platform, or rather the app, you can actually access a section where you can actually watch a lot of anime, movies, and series all for free. And I'm talking about this freebie section. You can see it here with ads. Now, this is the section. Once you download the app, just look for this section that says with ads, and in there you'll be able to watch a lot of anime, movies, and series all for free legally on the Amazon Prime Video. Now go and give that a try. Now the second platform on my list is Crunchyroll. Now Crunchyroll is already quite popular because they can give you access to very large categories of anime like dub and sub, all legally for free on their platform. Now if I go to this second one, you also see the same thing. If I scroll below, you can see a lot of episodes available for me to watch, and it's click and play. If I'm to click on anyone right now, I'll be able to watch it. Same thing with this one. If I scroll below, you can see that so many episodes available for me to watch, all for free with ads on the Crunchyroll platform. Now they have the popular section where you'll be able to see a lot of popular anime. They also have the news section where you'll be able to see a lot of newest anime. Now if you don't want to be seeing ads when watching on this platform, you can go ahead and simply upgrade to premium. Now next on my list is Tubi TV. Now Tubi TV is actually a combination because in here you can watch a lot of anime, movies, and series all at the same time for free on their platform. You can see the proof right here. Watch free anime, movies, and TV shows online in HD on any device. Now that's your proof that you can actually watch anime for free on this platform. Now if you are to check out the app on the Google Play Store, you can see it's having over 100 million downloads, which means that this app is worth your time, like very, very worth your time. Now I'm going to be moving to another one, or rather the fourth on my list, and that is the BiliBili app. This app is currently having 100 million downloads, and with this app you'll be able to watch a lot of anime. I think they have over 2,000 licensed titles that you can actually watch on their platform. You can watch trendy animes and so many other type of anime content with this app, and the best part is legally for free. So do give each and every one that I've mentioned in this video a try, and let me know which one you prefer in the comment section. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 5,000 subscribers for a while now. It have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now, I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can also go ahead and watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.